On Earth, it feels familiar. We jump, and we always come back down. Even at our best, most of us can't jump higher than about 60 centimeters or 2 feet. But gravity isn't the same everywhere in the solar system. Change the planet, and the rules change with it. So, what would happen if we tried to jump on other worlds? Let's start with Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. On Mercury, a human could jump about 2.5 meters, or over 8 feet. But Mercury is a planet of extremes. During the day, its surface heats up to 427 degrees Celsius, or 800 degrees Fahrenheit. At night, temperatures drop to minus 173 degrees Celsius, or minus 280 Fahrenheit. One single day on Mercury lasts 176 Earth days. A sunrise there can take half a year. Next is Venus. If it weren't for its thick clouds, you could actually see Earth from Venus. But those clouds hide a brutal world. Venus has enormous atmospheric pressure, constant storms, and lightning. Because of that pressure, gravity feels heavier. On Venus, you could jump only about 60 centimeters or 2 feet, barely leaving the ground. Now let's go to the Moon. The Moon's gravity is only 1/6 of Earth's. A jump here becomes a slow floating leap. On the Moon, you could jump up to 7 meters or over 23 feet. But the Moon doesn't just affect astronauts. Its gravity controls Earth's tides. And slowly, over millions of years, the Moon is drifting farther away from Earth. Next is Mars, the red planet. Mars has about 38% of Earth's gravity. Here, a jump would reach around 1.2 meters or 4 feet. If you stay until evening, you can witness a rare sight, a blue sunset caused by fine dust in Mars's thin atmosphere. Mars is also home to Olympus Mons, the tallest mountain in the solar system. Between Mars and Jupiter lies Ceres, the largest object in the asteroid belt. Gravity on Ceres is incredibly weak. A single jump here could send you 18 meters, or nearly 60 feet, into the air. For a moment, you would feel almost weightless. Now to Jupiter. Jupiter is a giant planet made mostly of gas. It has no solid surface. But if a solid surface existed, a jump would barely lift you off the ground. Only about 25 centimeters or 10 inches. Next is Saturn, famous for its rings. If Saturn had a solid surface, you could jump about 50 centimeters or just under 2 feet. More than 700 Earths could fit inside Saturn. Saturn has 62 moons, and one of them is especially fascinating. That moon is Titan. Titan has a thick nitrogen atmosphere, which gives its surface a permanent orange haze. Here, you could jump 3.3 meters, or nearly 11 feet. Titan is made mostly of ice, and deep beneath its frozen surface, liquid water exists closer to its core. Next is Uranus, an ice giant. Uranus is made of hydrogen, helium, and frozen materials. It holds the record for the coldest temperature in the solar system, around minus 220 degrees Celsius. On Uranus, you could jump about 60 centimeters or 2 feet, but everything feels distant, frozen, and silent. Then comes Neptune. Neptune is smaller than Uranus but more massive. That means stronger gravity. Here, a jump would reach only about 40 centimeters, just over 1 foot. 1 year on Neptune lasts 165 Earth years, because the planet orbits 30 times farther from the Sun than Earth does. Each planet has its own rules, its own weight, its own reality. So the next time you jump here on Earth, ask yourself, how high would you fly on another world?